I need you to think about something before this video even starts. Picture the last time you walked out of the gym and felt absolutely nothing. Not tired, not proud, not even sore. Just empty. Like you completed a transaction. You showed up, you moved some weight, you left. And somewhere on the drive home you thought, is this really it? If that's hit you before, stay with me. Because what I'm about to say is something the fitness industry will never put on a motivation poster. It's 6 p.m. The gym is completely packed. Every rack taken, music blasting, the smell of chalk and sweat hitting you the second you walk through the door. 40, 50, maybe 60 people, all moving at once. It looks like an anthill. Everybody busy, everybody going somewhere. And you have never felt more alone in your entire life. You put on the noise-canceling headphones, pull the hat down low, eyes on the floor between sets. You treat eye contact like it's something to be avoided, like it's contagious. And then it hits you. You've been coming to this exact gym, to this exact place, for 2 years. Same days, same time, same rack. And you don't even know the name of the guy who's been spotting you this whole time. 2 years. Let that sit. Now here's where it gets interesting, because this isn't just you being antisocial. This is by design. Somewhere along the way, we got sold an idea. You've seen the edits. Dark rooms, solo grind, one man versus the world. That whole lone wolf aesthetic made it feel like isolation was discipline, like cutting people off was a sign of focus, like needing other people was weakness. And man, we bought it, hard. But nobody told you the price tag on that lifestyle. Nobody told you that testosterone, the exact hormone you're in that gym to build, is naturally boosted by healthy competition and the energy of other men pushing around you. That's not a motivational quote. That's just biology. Your body was literally built to perform better inside a group. When you train in a vacuum, you don't become sharper. You become a robot in a warehouse full of other robots. Look around next time you're in there. Really look. Set ends, instead of breathing, feeling the pump, being present in that moment. What does everyone do? Phone, immediately, every single time. And I get it, because here's what's actually happening. The gym stopped giving people that feeling, that real, raw dopamine from pushing past the limit with someone watching, from making eye contact after a brutal set and not needing to say a single word because the other person gets it. That feeling is gone, and now we're chasing it on a 4-inch screen. The gym used to mean something different. It was a place where regular guys became something, not because of some perfect program or the right supplements, but because they suffered together. They showed up for each other. They watched each other struggle and grow. Now, it's a content factory. Half the people in there are more concerned with the lighting on their next post than whether they actually pushed themselves. The mirror isn't for form anymore. It's for the thumbnail. And that's why it feels hollow. There's no spirit left in it, just bodies moving in silence, surrounded by other bodies moving in silence. Everybody pretending that's enough. Here's what I'm not saying. I'm not saying go hug strangers in the locker room. I'm not saying you need a training partner or a gym crew to make progress. That's not the point. The point is this. We traded connection for performance, and in doing that, we lost the thing that made the performance worth anything. You can't out-train that void. You can't add more volume to fill it. You can't PR your way out of feeling like a ghost in your own life. A body without a soul is just a statue, and you were not born to stand still. Before you close this video, I want to ask you something real. Think about the last time you walked out of the gym and genuinely felt alive. Not just physically tired, not just check the box. I mean that feeling where you're driving home and something in you is actually satisfied, like something that mattered happened in there. When was that? Last week? Last month? Can you even remember? Because if you're being honest right now, how long have you been showing up to a place that's supposed to make you feel strong and walking out feeling emptier than you walked in? Drop that in the comments, not just same bro. Tell me for real, how long has the gym felt like a chore instead of something that actually feeds you. I want to read every single one. And if this video said something you needed to hear, subscribe to the Movement Sketch. This is the kind of conversation we have here every single week. Because the emptiest gym in the world can have 300 people inside, and the fullest one can be just you and one person who actually gives a damn about what you're building.